Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to talk about a product that has truly changed my hair game, the hair drying brush. Let's unbox the product first. After that I will show you how easy and convenient to use it. I just washed my hair. Now let's try and find it out whether it is as good as it claims. Looks nice. I'm not an expert, but even for me, it's very comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. And another thing is that it's not too heavy, that makes it less tiring to use. I'm not done yet, but this one is definitely way easier than the traditional hair dryer, I would say. So, yeah. This brush combines drying and styling, saving me tons of time. It's gentle on my hair, adds volume and shine, and is super easy to use. If you are looking for a convenient way to style your hair, I highly recommend giving this a try. As I was saying, the heat settings are adjustable, so I can customize it to my hair type, so no more frying your hair. The bristles are really gentle on my hair, and what's truly impressive is the volume and shine it adds to my hair. I have struggled with flat, lifeless hair for a while, but this brush gives me the perfect salon style volume that lasts all day. My hair looks healthier and shinier than ever before. So how was my unboxing video? Let me know in comment section. And if you like the video, please do share with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.